Hello and welcome to another SMC's how-to video. Here we're showing how quick and convenient it is to access for cleaning or to replace an SMC Ionizer's emitters regardless of the type. Emitters are a wearing part of any ionizer, so the procedure should be as simple as possible. However, before any maintenance is carried out on any of the range, ensure any air and electrical power are disconnected from the product. We begin with the IZS bar ionizer. Here we see an IZS 40 series, but the same method applies to IZS 41, 42 and IZT models. Multiple emitters are located on the underside of the bar. Each can be unlocked by holding the cartridge housing and rotating it anti-clockwise. Then simply remove the emitter from the bar. Refitting of the replacement emitters is carried out in the reverse manner. Push the new emitter into the bar and rotate the housing clockwise for retention. To replace the single emitter used in the IZG gun, first unscrew and remove the nozzle to expose the emitter. Take care when removing the emitter as the tip is sharp. Here we're using the specific tool supplied with the IZG. Insert the new or cleaned emitter using the same tool. Again, take care as the tip is sharp. When replacing the nozzle, tighten by hand until it can no longer be turned. The multiple emitters used for IZF20 and IZF30 fans are replaced together by simply releasing the retention clip on the top of the body and lifting the panel away. Take care when removing the panel as the exposed emitter tips are sharp. Fit the replacement emitter panel assembly by first locating it with the electrical connector at the base of the panel before pushing it into the retention clip. Once the IZN electrical connector is removed, the retention clip can be swapped to the upright free position. Now the ionizer cartridge can be removed from the body by sliding the top section away from the air nozzle. Take care when doing this as the emitter tip is sharp. Now we can carefully remove the emitter. Replacing it simply requires pushing the new emitter into place. Now slide the top cartridge towards the air nozzle in the IZN body before locking this into place by rotating the retention clip to the lock position. All done. Check out SMC's other how-to videos to see how easy it is to maintain our products.